The net overseas migration in the year to June 2023 reached a record-breaking 518,090 people, but accusations of a big Australia aren't exactly true. If you average out the net overseas migration over the past 3 years, you end up with a number lower than the decade preceding the pandemic. We lost 500,000 net migrants from June 2019 to June 2022, and those coming back are simply rebalancing things. Furthermore, fewer migrants are leaving Australia than usual, expected to return to normal in future years. Indeed, Australia's population is still expected to be over 375,000 people below the forecast prior to the COVID pandemic. I've simply had enough with this obsession that Australia is being flooded with migrants. The stats just don't lie.